How to factory reset the infotainment display on a Peugeot 5008. This is a 2024, but this should work on a lot of different Peugeots, different models, different years, as long as it has a infotainment system that looks like this. It's very easy to do. We're going to do it from this screen here, and doesn't matter what screen we're on, you're always going to have this little settings option right here on the top right. We're going to click on that, and then from there, we're just going to hit options. And then from options, we're going to hit system settings. So we're going to hit system settings, and then we're going to select the option right here, right next to units, which is factory settings. We're going to hit factory settings, and then we're going to hit reset, and then it's just going to ask us to confirm. And all the the reset has been successful, and we're back to the factory settings for the entire system. So anyways, if this video helped, if you leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it, and make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any more quick tutorials like this.